Streetlights fading in the morning blue. Empty chairs still feel like they belong to you. Pictures on my phone don't tell the whole truth. Some smiles disappear before they ever lose. We were young enough to think we never change, riding forever in the pouring rain. Now every mile puts another name, somewhere only silence knows. If the sky could hear us now, would it carry every sound? Every laugh that slipped away still echoes when the moon goes quiet. So lift your glass into the midnight air, for every soul that left a story here, for the dreams that broke but made us who we are, like old scars shining brighter than the stars. If tomorrow calls us somewhere new, we'll carry us today in everything we do. The light keeps fading but the fire stays alive. Some hearts never really say goodbye. I chased the gold until my hands were cold. Found out lonely rooms can still be full of ghosts. Every wind reminds me of the ones who taught me how to stand when hope was gone. Life keeps dealing cards nobody picks. Still we dance across the cracks we can't fix. Maybe healing isn't forgetting. Maybe it's remembering without breaking.
I've been counting, blessing with a heavy chest, talking to the ceiling when I need a rest. Lost a few people, lost a little faith, found another reason every time I pray. Clock keeps running, never waits for tears, building who I am from the hardest years. If you call my name from the other side, know I kept your light burning through the night. I don't need revenge, I don't need applause, only peace enough to carry what I lost. Every chapter ends but the love remains, written in my heartbeat, running through my veins. Maybe we're
just passing through, borrowing time like borrowed moonlight. So before the morning steals a view, hold on to the ones beside you tonight. Raise a knife for the ones who believe, for the ones we found and the ones we couldn't keep. Every tear becomes another river home, leading everyone in heart back where it belongs. When the music fades and the city sleeps, their voices live in every truth we know, but forever lives in the pieces left by you. The lights go down, the story stays. Love never really fades away. Carry them with every step you take. Every dawn begins with yesterday.